Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to focus in on the word snack. So here's the script from the dictionary, and it might look like a deceptively simple word, snack, but I have lost count of the times that people have accidentally said the word snake to me instead of snack, and that's why I've thrown this one in here. So you can see we've got our one syllable word with a short vowel. That's the key to getting this right. So let's break it down. We start off with our sn. So that hissing S through to a n, which is a nasal sound. It's up there in your nose. So sn. Then a nice short ah. This is a single short vowel. If you so the error that I mentioned a moment ago, snake, that's a double vowel. We don't want that here. If you're having a snack, it's single and short. And then our k to end. So there we are, snack. It's not an A because that makes it snake. And I mean, you might eat snake, but lots of people don't eat snake. But lots of people do eat snacks. So that's the key. If you mean, I don't know, potato chips or an apple or whatever, a small piece of food between meals, that's what we think of as a snack. A snake is a creature. So snakes are sometimes snacks, but generally that's not what people are thinking about when they say the word snack. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Hit like, leave me a comment. If you've got anything to say about this, perhaps you've made this same mistake yourself and have an amusing story to tell. And share this with your friends if you think they'll find it useful. Check out the homepage, lots of content on there to keep you entertained. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.